Hi, all my fellow Gremlins. This is Rachel from Loot Gremlins Entertainment, and I'm here to share with you today that I decided I was going to start making a kind of like a diary vlog of my journey of learning how to stream. Streaming is a lot more complicated than people actually tell you that it's going to be, and for someone who doesn't really work with computers or into that whole tech savvy thing, it's a lot of information that comes at you really fast trying to learn how everything works. And there has been some really good things that I've learned, and there's been some really other bad things too. So I figured that I would share along my progress and the things that I use that are a little more user friendly for beginners, maybe is how you would put it. Anyways. So we'll cover everything from, making your own overlays to putting your logo into stuff. I just recently learned how to make my palette colors for my logo and for my brand, learned about branding and all that other fun stuff. So I will have every YouTube video that I learned from linked down below each video, and you can go and follow their tutorials too, and some of them have been very informational, and I hope you guys learn something from it, and I hope it helps future people who want to learn how to do this as well. So today is more of like an informational video of where I'm kind of telling you the direction I want to take my YouTube. So I want to help other streamers who are starting out and learning so we can learn together. I have found some very good things on YouTube that have helped me, a lot of things for free, a lot of things you have to pay for. As most of you who do follow me on TikTok and Twitch, I stream from a PS5, and most people, they just do your regular, you plug it in and there you go. But I wanted to take it, further. I ended up getting a PS5 webcam, and I did that for a little bit. And then I will actually link below down in the description the YouTube video that I followed to basically plug my PS5 stuff in to where I could actually stream with overlays and all the fun goodies stuff through I think it was Lightstream and Stream Elements, because I used their overlays and all that fun stuff. So and a lot of people, you do need a computer to set it up, but when you don't have a capture card, you do what you got to do. Currently, now I do have a capture card. I have the Elgato HD60X, and that in itself has been really great. However, they do not tell you that after you hook all that stuff up, that if they want to be able to hear you and hear the game chat, you have to have the Chat Link Pro cable, which I bought, and it made everything worse because I use a different controller than a stationary PS5 controller. So my system that I have set up now, I have a regular mic here that I use that's plugged into my PS5 to talk to my teammates through. Mostly I do Fortnite, and then I have a HyperX microphone that I plug in into my computer so everybody else can hear me in the stream. People in my lobbies, for Twitch and TikTok and Kick and all that fun stuff. Yes, it's a little bit more complicated, but it works for me. I have gotten it all to work. I am the queen of audio problems. I will fully admit to that. I am the queen of audio problems. But like I said, I am still in the learning midst of this. I am still trying to figure everything out. And I'm so glad that the people that do follow me, they are encouraging and they are patient, and they know that we will get there when we get there. So today is going to be the day that I am recording my very first actual YouTube informational video. And I figured from today we would learn how to make our own thumbnail for the video that we're going to edit in. And I'll probably be following along from a YouTube video, which I'll have linked down below for that person so they get the credit that they deserve as well. More than likely, we'll probably be using a service. Hold on just a second here. More than likely, we'll end up using Canva. Canva is a big designer for creators. You can do everything from making your own. It's my, let's see, press play. This is my starting screen in my OBS for my Twitch. And I actually made this by myself, and I just kind of plugged everything in there. And I love the way that it looks. And I have my branding, colors, and all of that in there, so it all kind of flows together, and it makes sense. At least it makes sense to me. It may not make sense to you, but it makes sense to me, and that's all that it matters. For me, if I feel comfortable with it and I really like it, to me, that's what matters. I mean, everybody on the internet is going to have their own voices, their own opinions, and some people are going to really like the stuff that you come up with and the things other people aren't. Yes, there are going to be some things that you are going to have to tweak here and there to try to get that eye grabber for people to come into your channel. But for the most part, if you are not happy with the things that you are doing and you do not like what you are doing, and people see that you don't like what you are doing, who's going to want to watch you? Who's going to want to watch your videos? Who's going to want to click on it? You know, it all comes down to if you're having fun and this is a passion and a drive that you really want to learn to do. And I like learning new things. I like learning new tech things. Yes, I get frustrated with it and I'll put it aside for a little bit, but this is something that is actually intriguing to me and I want to see where I can take it. Am I going to be a big streamer? Absolutely not. I am not funny. I'm not that entertaining. You know, I really am not good at video games whatsoever because my hand and eye coordination, I'm very slow. However, when I'm playing with my friends, we'll give you some great commentary. You know, we have some great, it's adult appropriate, but we have some really great chats and fun times. And, you know, we're very sarcastic people, and that brings in a different type of platform of people, I think, that you don't actually get to see very often because of things like TikTok's algorithm. You know, they want to keep it family friendly. And the thing is, not everybody is PG-13 or Disney, and that's okay. Okay. It may take us longer to get where we need to be, but I shouldn't have to pretend to live in a Disney environment in order to succeed with doing what I love to do. That's just my opinion. So, anyways, enough chit chat. We should probably get into the video, and so we will go ahead and start. Okay, from here, we are going to go into Canva, and I pay for Canva. I have Canva Pro. You can do this, from my knowledge, you can make your thumbnails for free using their stuff, but I like to do some of their templates and stuff I like to use, you have to pay for. So, there's that. Anyways, you go to Creative Design. You can just type in YouTube. They have templates for ads, banners, channel logos, channel display, live stream videos, profile pictures, shorts, thumbnails, video chapters, gaming videos. They have all sorts of stuff. So I'm looking for thumbnail. All right. This is where we get the fun stuff going here. Okay, as you can see, I use Canva. However, I pay for Canva. I pay for the Canva Pro just because I like all the extra features that it comes with. You do not have to pay for it. You can make this completely free. You just need to play around with it and see what works best for you. However, so they have tons of templates to help you with to get started, especially if you're running a blank on what you want to come up with. So you just click on YouTube thumbnail here. So let's see. We'll do intro video. Let's see. Want something styles and couldn't find anything within my brand thing. Anyway, so all these over here are templates that you could use for your thumbnail. I'm going to make a quick thumbnail for an intro video I did for my channel when I introduced myself, and because I never actually personally made one, I just like popped in a picture. I didn't realize that actual good thumbnails are ones that you actually have to put time and effort into. And that's the thing, is if you want to grow your streams, you've got to learn how to utilize all this stuff, and it's very overwhelming, but you learn to do it fairly quickly if you take the time to do your research. And a lot of this research is on YouTube, like I said. And again, down below in the description, I will have a link to the video that I used to learn how to make my own thumbnail. Excuse me, sorry, I have hiccups today. Oh no, I cannot find a template that I like. Okay, we'll use this one. So I don't want those. And see, these are completely customizable. It's just a template to kind of give you an idea of what you want to use. Let's see. Get rid of the hand. Let's see, we'll upload my photo here. Here we go. And the fun thing is, since I pay for this, you can go to effects and I can get rid of the background for my photo. It'll do it all by itself. See, I've got it right there. However, that is not the photo that I want to use. So I'm going to go to upload files, and I had this one for my thumbnail. So once that is uploaded, we will put that right here. Oh, let's see if we can go to edit photo. Can we remove the background on this one? Ooh, this one might be... Oh, it did it! I thought it was going to be a little tricky. Oh. So... Hello. Hello. Welcome to Loot Gremlin. Let me make the books a little bit bigger. Loot Gremlin Entertainment. Okay. This need to, I like it centered. I like everything's centered. Gosh, perfect. Nah, maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger. Like that, okay. And then go here, and we'll go to the branding colors. Too dull. I like that one. Okay, then we'll go here. We'll download it. Go here. Wait for it to download. Okay, now here. And we'll go back to my video. Find it. Click on this one. Here, go to change it. Download the thumbnail. And then we've got save. And then now we have a nice thumbnail for our nice little video that we did. Anyways, I hope this tutorial video was simple enough for you to understand, and I found it was pretty easy. Again, I will have everything linked below in the description box, and stay tuned, and next time we will work on overlays for your strings. All right, have a good day.